How to open an old NGL account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can open an old NGL account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to open an old NGL account, you just simply need to open up NGL app. You can simply find it on Google Play Store very easily. Just open it up. After that, you just need to simply enter the Instagram account that you used in your NGL account to open the old NGL account. So as I said, you may just use your old NGL account. You may just use your old Instagram username in order to log it into your own NGL account. Just come into the app and sign in using your username. But if you have deleted it permanently, you need to create a new account. You may just simply open the NGL app and go further with the process of creating a new NGL account. So therefore, by just those steps, you can open an old NGL account again. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.